In this video, you'll be learning a very quick solution on how to fix the search box is missing in Taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to open up your settings. So please wait until everything are set here at the settings before we proceed. And once everything has been showing up here at the setting, please navigate directly to the left side of it. You can see there a list of the option. Please look for personalization. Click on it. And under here at the personalization, you need to scroll down and locate with taskbar. Click on it. And in that way, you would be able to bring up the taskbar setting. So from here, locate for taskbar items and proceed to search or the search box and click on this down arrow key and proceed to search box here. Click on it and close the window. And in that way, you have just successfully fixed the search box which is missing here in your taskbar. You can use it now. Okay, so from that, you can simply navigate here and search everything that you would like to. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.